Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Ravencliff Falls. That's right, we're going to be doing a 5-mile hike up to the waterfall and back. If you've never been here before, it is $5 to park, or you can use your America the Beautiful pass. With that being said, let's keep moving. Okay, so that's the entrance coming from Ravencliff Falls, but if you continue down this road that says dead end there, it's not really a dead end. There's lots of camping sites. If you've never been here before, definitely recommend checking out those areas if you're looking for some primitive camping, some great spots. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as I try to release weekly videos every single Sunday. Love to hear from all viewers, so make sure you leave me a comment down below and I will respond. So as you first get into it, there are some great camping spots right off the trail within a quarter mile of the trailhead. So if you're looking for a great place to camp, Ravencliff Falls is an excellent place to check out. Lots of people come here on the weekends. Today is a Tuesday. It's about 10:30 and the temp's around 60 degrees or so. It's very, very nice. Very awesome temperatures and just a great place to be. Now this place is very special to me. I've been coming here for about 25 years and a lot of fond memories off the Richard B. Russell Scenic Highway. Just a little bit further up the road, you have Hogpen Gap and Tesnety Gap, 2 access points to the Appalachian Trail. Great day hikes with some awesome views at Wildcat Mountain as well as on Cow Rock Mountain. Excellent, can't beat it. Anyway, one of my favorite places to be is out here in this area. Let's keep moving. Leave no trace. So it looks like another camping spot, but again, I wouldn't camp in these areas. Most likely I would go down where that dead end road was, a little further, because there's a lot of great primitive parking spots to camp and such. You're not gonna have all this foot traffic coming by every 10 seconds, especially on the weekend. So keep that in mind if you plan to camp here. The terrain here, it's kind of moderate, I guess. There are going to be some inclines, and the trail is not necessarily smooth. Lots of roots, rocks. So again, make sure you bring the right footwear, and you should be all right. For the most part, though, while you're on trail, you'll see a lot of families ranging in ages from very young to very old. So I've forgotten how awesome this place is. It's been several years since I've been here, but just incredible places to check out. Waterfalls all the way up to the main point. Just went over to one waterfall. Now we're at the top of it. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. Saw the mountain laurel and rhododendron down by the creeks. This is beautiful. Waterfalls everywhere. Leading up to the grand finale, Raven Cliff Falls. I think we have maybe half a mile to go or so, maybe a little less. It's a beautiful day out. Couldn't ask for a better day. So this trail today, I've probably seen maybe 20 people or so. It's a Tuesday, it's about 11 o'clock, September 8th, 2020. And you know, again, the temps are starting to drop. So I anticipate more and more people will be coming out to these areas for camping and so forth. So if you can, always get here during the week as early as possible so you can have the best time in these areas. Wow, that's a nice little camp spot. Some fire rings and so forth, very level, very cleared out. If I can remember correctly though, the base of the falls is just a little past this area. All right, so the incline does have a little bit of a climb towards the end here. If I didn't know any better, I'd say we're coming up on it right now. I believe that's Raven Cliff Falls. Awesome. Wow. This is Raven Cliff Falls. Okay, so it's Metro. We're at the base of Raven Cliff Falls, and if you can see behind me, the views are incredible. Definitely worth a 2.5 mile hike to get up here to see this view. If you've never been here before, I definitely recommend Raven Cliff Falls. Let's keep moving. Okay, so just as I got to the top, or to the base of the falls, a lot of people showed up. Right around lunchtime or so. Makes about sense. But either way, we're heading back to the trailhead. About 2.5 miles to go of this lovely terrain. It's a beautiful place to be. If you've never been here before, definitely recommend it. Definitely worth the effort to get to the falls. Unlike, you know, Dix Creek Falls, I had to put no effort out and got to the waterfall pretty quickly. This one you're gonna have to definitely put out a little bit of effort on the front to enjoy that beautiful view at the end. Okay, so since you've seen most of this footage going up to the waterfall, this is an out and back trail. I'm gonna go ahead and teleport back to the trailhead. All right, so that's that. We just did a 5.5 mile hike up to the waterfall and back. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.